Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is keeping fine and safe. Yes, so let's start our video today. As you know, I am up with various job notifications. I will not dishearten you in this video. In this video also, I will give you a very important and useful job notification that I'm sure you will be benefited if you fill out the form and the things. So in this video, I'll talk about SSC Phase 9 selection post recruitment for 2021. The exam dates 3261 vacancies, eligibility, selection, syllabus, salary, and other notifications of SSC Phase 9 selection post recruitment 2021 you will get in this video. Get all the updates on SSC selection post Phase 9 2021, including exam date, recruitment, eligibility, everything you will find, as I told you, in this video itself. So let's start our video. You can check the syllabus and everything if you require any such details. SSC Phase 9 Selection Post Recruitment 2021 Examination. SSC Selection Post Phase 9 Recruitment 2021 can be a very good opportunity for candidates who want a government job with a good salary. SSC Phase 9 2021 selection process consists of an online examination and no interview round will be held for this examination. The online registration process is being conducted from 24th September to 25th of October 2021. SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 exam will be conducted in the month of January or February 2022, which is the tentative date. In this video, I'm going to share all the relevant information related to the SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 recruitment, like vacancies, exam dates, eligibility criteria, then the exam pattern, syllabus, application process, how to apply everything. So let's have a look at the list of topics that you will actually have to cover. So SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 exam notification. The official notification for SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 recruitment was released on 24th of September 2021. The registration for the vacancies under the categories Group C, that's Class 2, and Group C, non-gazetted and non-ministerial, started from 24th of September 2021 and will end on 25th of October 2021. SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 exam dates. Important dates for SSC Selection Phase 9 2021 examination. Dates for submission of the online applications are 4th September to 25th of October 2021. Last date for receipt of application is 25th of October 2021 up to 11:30 p.m. The last date for making online fees payment is 28th of October 2021 up till 11:30 p.m. Last date for generation of offline cash is again the same date up till 11:30 p.m. Last date for payment through challan during working hours of bank is 1st of November 2021. Date of computer-based examination, that is January or February of 2022. SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 Recruitment and Vacancy. SSC has announced 3261 vacancies under SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 Recruitment. The number of vacancies for the SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 recruitment is decided on the basis of vacancies furnished by each SSC zone. Now I will give you the details of the 9 regional or sub-regional offices of the Commission. The central region is CR, which comprises of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, and the exact centers for this is Prayagraj and Patna. The next region is Eastern region, which is the ER, and the states include Andaman and Nicobar Island, Jharkhand, Orissa, Sikkim, and West Bengal. The exam centers are Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Port Blair, and Ranchi. Karnataka, Kerala region. Next, coming to Kerala region, KKR, which is the Lakshadweep, Karnataka, and Kerala exam centers are Bengaluru and Thiruvananthapuram and Madhya Pradesh. Next, coming to the sub-region, which is the MPR, comprises of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, and the exam centers are Bhopal and Raipur. Next, coming to northeastern region, which is the NER, comprises of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. The exam centers are Guwahati, Imphal, Shillong, Agartala, and Kohima. The northern region is NR, which comprises of NCT of Delhi, Rajasthan, and Uttarakhand, and the exam centers for this are Delhi, Dehradun, and Jaipur. The next region is Northwestern Sub-region, which is the NWR, comprising of Chandigarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Punjab. The exam centers for this are Chandigarh, Jammu, Srinagar, Harinpur. Southern region comprises, that is the SR, comprises of Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana. The exam centers are Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana. Next, coming to the western region, which is the WR, comprises of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Goa, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. The exam centers are Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Next, coming to SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 eligibility criteria. The eligibility for the recruitment of SSC Selection Post Phase 9 vacancies is not the same for all the posts. Now let's have a look at the eligibility criteria for SSC Selection Post Phase 9 2021 recruitment. The age limit is, as on 1st January 2021, most of the posts requires a minimum of 18 years and a maximum of 30 years. However, candidates need to check the post-wise age limit in the official notification released by the SSC. Relaxation in the upper age limit. Yes, there is relaxation in the upper age limit and it will be offered as per the government rules and regulations. That is for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, it is 5 years. For other backward classes, that is the OBC, 3 years. For PWD is 10 years, PWD OBC 13 years, PWD scheduled caste and scheduled tribe 15 years. Ex-servicemen, including unreserved or general or OBC, 3 years after the deduction of the military service rendered from the actual age as on the closing date. Defense personnel disabled in operation during the hostilities with any foreign country or in a disturbed area and released as a consequence thereof. This will be having 3 years of relaxation. Defense personnel disabled in operation during hostilities with any foreign country or in a disturbed area and released as a consequence thereof, that is, including the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, will have a relaxation of 8 years. For Group C post, only central government civilian employees who have rendered not less than 3 years regular and continuous service as on the closing date for received 2 applications up to 40 years of age. Central government civilian employees, scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, who have rendered not less than 3 years regular and continuous service as on the closing date for receipt of application will have a relaxation up to 45 years of age. Widows or divorced women or women judicially separated and who are not remarried up to 35 years of age is the relaxation. Widows or divorced women or women judicially separated and who are not remarried, scheduled caste or scheduled tribe will get a relaxation up to 40 years of age. Next, coming to educational qualifications, as on 1st January 2021, Candidates need to check the post-wise essential requirement as well as the desired educational qualification. In the official recruitment notification, the candidates must carefully read the essential qualification, which is the EQ, as well as the desirable qualification, which is the DQ. So before applying to any post under the SSC selection post phase 9 2021 recruitment process, you must check the minimum qualification required for applying to that post. So be very careful about this. Most of the selection post requires bachelor's degree from a recognized university or equivalent or diploma. SSC selection post phase 9 2021 selection process. Talking about this, as per the government guidelines, there will be no interview process for the SSC junior level post. So, to get selected under the SSC selection post phase 9 2021 recruitment, a candidate is only required to appear in the CBT, that is the computer based test or exam, and obtain marks above the minimum qualifying or the cut-off marks. For qualifying computer based examination, candidates are required to score minimum marks as per the details that I'm going to give you right now. For general, it's 35%, OBC or EWS 30%, other categories 25%. The online exam will be held only in regional or sub-regional or HQs or cities or centers. Regional officers will call for hard copies of online applications along with supporting certificates or documents from qualified candidates of computer-based examination in the following ratio. In the ratio of 1:20 for up to 5 vacancies for any category of post, in the ratio of 1:10 for more than 5 vacancies for any category of post subject to a minimum 100. Regional office will call the required number of candidates in the ratio of 1:10 for document verification that they term as DV for a particular category of post subject to availability of eligible candidates. SSC selection post phase 9 2021 application process. Talking about this, candidates can fill the SSC selection phase 9 2021 online application form from 24th September 2021, and as I said it will last up till 25th of October 2021 at ssc.nic.in. For your ease, I have listed down some of the relevant information needed while filling the application form. So let's have a quick look at that, about those points. How to apply. Candidates need to submit the online application on nic.in. The application fee is ₹100. Male, that is general, or OBC or EWS has to pay ₹100. For female, all categories, no fees is required. For scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or ex-servicemen or PWD, no fees is required. The mode of payment, the fees can be paid through online mode using Bheem, UPI, net banking by using Visa or MasterCard or Maestro, RuPay card, credit card or debit card, or in SBI branches by generating SBI challans, photograph and signature. Scan color passport size recent photograph in JPEG format, that is up to 20 KB to 50 KB. Image dimension of the photograph should be about 3.5 centimeter, that is width by 4.5 centimeter height. Scan signature in JPG format in 10 to 20 KB. Image dimension of the signature should be about 4 centimeter width by 3 centimeter height. SSC selection post phase 9 2021 exam pattern and syllabus. Talking about this, SSC selection post phase 9 2021 examination will be conducted in 3 separate computer-based examinations consisting of objective multiple choice questions, which is the MCQs, for posts with minimum qualification, that is the education qualification of matriculation, higher secondary and graduation and above levels. The details of subjects for questions, marks and number of questions subject wise are given in the video as I'm going to discuss right now. For general intelligence, that is the reasoning, number of questions is 25 and marks is 50. For English language, that is the basic knowledge, number of questions is 25, marks is 50. For quantitative aptitude, that is basic arithmetic skill, number of questions are 25 and marks is 50. For general awareness and current affairs, number of questions are 25 and marks allotted are 50. The total is 100 questions of 200 marks and time given will be 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Note, there will be a negative marking of 0.5 marks for each wrong answer that you give. The Commission shall have the discretion to fix different minimum qualifying standards for the recruitment SSC selection post phase 9, 2021, while taking into consideration the category-wise vacancies and the category-wise number of candidates that appeared or are appearing in the examination. The Selection Commission will conduct skill tests like typing test, data entry test, computer proficiency test, etc., where prescribed in the educational or the essential qualification, and these tests will be of the qualified nature. So you have to give these tests. SSC selection post phase 9 2021 answer keys. The answer keys will be placed on the official website, that is through the Commission's website, after the examination is over. So if you are a candidate giving this examination, you can view the answer keys corresponding to their test form and submit representations, if any, within the time limit given by the Commission through the online modality, that is only through online modality, on payment of ₹100 per answer. Any representation regarding answer key received within the time limit fixed by the Commission at the time of uploading the answer key will be scrutinized, and the decision of the Commission in this regard will be final. No representation regarding the answer keys shall be entertained afterwards, that is after the date is over. SSC selection post phase 9 2021 examination results, scores or marks of the selected candidates will only be disclosed or made available on the website of the concerned regional office at the time of declaration of the final results for the particular category of post that the person or the candidate has applied. Marks of all other candidates who appeared in the computer-based examination for any category of post shall only be made available on the website of the Commission after declaration of the entire result of all categories of posts advertised under the notice of phase 9 of 2021 selection post. So I think I have given you all the information relating to this examination. So if you think you are an eligible candidate and you wish to apply for this, so without wasting time, I think you should go and opt for this. So all the best for your career ahead. I hope you will be successful in whatever you wish for. So ending my video here, thank you for listening me out so patiently. Thank you so much. All the best. Have a great day and stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.